Merry Christmas mga layas! Ito ulit si Inang Layas. Lalayas gabing-gabi. So, doon kami mag-spend ng Christmas sa aking kumpare at mare. Yun yung ninong ng aking anak. Pupunta kami sa bahay nila. Doon kami mag-spend ng Christmas. Meron kaming Christmas party. So, abangan niyo yan. Samahan niyo ako. So guys, ang lamig-lamig ngayon. Kaya ganito ako kabalot. Ito yung husband ko.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, abangan nyo. Ayan ang anak ko. Hello.
You smile, I look at the camera. Kain na na.
Si Joy pa.
Maligpit na itong lamesa na ito.
Hi!
One more.
Me also.
Want everyone to come to the table.
Ano to?
Everybody please come to the table of contents because we'll have our last supper. Dali, please. Please come. If you want to have $50.
Say hi!
Okay. The shorter one in front, the taller one at the back. But we're all Filipinos. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, let's start our dinner. A picture with the camera woman.
Guys, sinigo! Sinigo! Re! Mag-pray ka na, Re!
Daddy!
Pass! Get one in pass! Malo! Kain na yung turkey? We make this one.
That's good. Thank you.
Party everywhere.
I'm so glad I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take you to the good times, see you through the bad times. Whatever it takes. The color pink. You're out. Okay, that's trial. That's the trial game. So you're still in, Kuya. That's just practice. It was just practice. Hey, look! Kindly move to the color purple. Oh no! Trial. Okay. Purple. Oh, I saw that. You guys are about to move. Okay. All right. Again. Okay. Okay, I want you to move fast, okay? As fast as you can. Move to the corner. Green! Don't move. Okay. Move to the corner. Green! Violet! Purple! Kuya, don't move forward. Just move on your side, okay? We'll make a stampede. Okay, again. Move to the color. Purple. Green. Pink. You have to be quick, okay? Okay, you receive a prize.
46, 45, 44,
Galing niya lang, galing
42.
Participate na! Do not touch your hands! Do not touch by your hands! Okay?
No touching, only touch the straw.
I see someone touching!
You have 30 seconds left. That's 27,
Remember, when you touch,
26, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up! Okay, our dear representative is from St. Clair Regional Hospital. Please, Miss Joanne, please count. How many you have? 27! And the winner is no other than from the red corner, ladies and gentlemen. Our winner is no other than Mashre. Congratulations! Okay, now you eat the senior citizen edition. Okay, your parents, your father, mother, brother, sister, when I paglagay ko ng magbutang ko. Hoy! 1, 2, alauna, alas 2, alas 3. Go, timer.
Bakit dito nagtutuka? Chopstick.
Uy, bawal mag-chopstick. You're not following the rules. No. Tukaan to, tukaan. Tukaan game. Di siya chopstick game.
Okay, timer.
43 seconds.
42 seconds.
Kuya, disqualified ka na.
38 seconds.
Hindi,
22
disqualified ka.
seconds. 35 seconds.
I don't care. Huminga kayo ha, baka nakalimutan yung huminga. Ba't naging chopstick yung isa?
25 seconds.
23 seconds. 19 seconds.
Hindi, count your own na lang. Ray, count your own na lang.
May dalang unos at bagyo, wag lang ang snowstorm. Maria Fick, makabaling utin. Okay. Okay, ready na si atong DTR representative? Okay. Okay, Musayaw, you have to dance. Yes, in the music of Like a Virgin. Come on, dance! Okay, move your feet. No cheating, oh my God, your feet is not moving, okay? Cha-cha-cha, ay hindi lang papamilya. Para sa atin. Ready na cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay. Okay, kaya mo na to. Ready? Ready? Okay. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Okay? Okay, I want you to take out your blindfold. Ang labas lahat ng paa. Ready, baby. Okay, mga asawa, sayaw kayo. I'm asking the wives and the girlfriends to dance. Because
Liam, show your gift. So, yun nga mga layas. Bali, nakatulog na ako. Nakatulog na din ang hubby ko. Alam nyo ba, 5 o'clock o 5:30 na yata kami nakauwi dito sa bahay. Sobra kasing nag-enjoy kami. Sobrang kwentuhan, alam mo yun. Tapos, eto nga pala ang nakuha naming gift. Galing sa kumari ko tsaka sa kumpare ko. Thank you, kumare and paring Henry. At ito yung gift naman ng anak ko galing sa ninong niya, Ninong Henry at Ninang Rizal. At ito naman yung napanalunan niya. At ito pa mga gift ni Liam galing sa ninong at ninang niya. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Inang Layas. See ya!